Oh, I'm good, man. High blood pressure.
Not good for diving.
Not good for diving. Alrighty. There's Mr. Jeremy right there.
Yes, sir. All right, so we waited till low tide. Had some coffee. Now I'm headed out to this point. Haven't dived the spot before, but it looks really good on the Navionics. It's a little bit of a swim out, but I think once I get to the point there, it's gonna be a nice little drop off. I think there's gonna be a lot of fish and a lot of life, and yeah, it should be some good structure. Guys, the view is absolutely insane here. Good. I feel like I'm on a deserted island or something. So I was just gonna suit up on the beach and do this long swim around the point. There's access if I just hike on these rocks. The problem is it's low tide right now and I'm not sure how high the water could possibly come up. Worst case, I gotta come and scale those rocks pretty high up there. But if I'm in for a quick dive, I think I'll be good. Gonna take the risk, and if I get trapped by the tide, that'll be hilarious, but I don't think I will. No way. So I was just hiking along here and I found, oh, this thing's lodged in here good, but I don't know what this is. Here we go. Wow, look at that skull. What is that? And there's a tooth on it. There's a whole bunch of teeth in it still. What? That's wild. That is a cool find. I wonder what that is. Sick tide pool. That'd be like a natural hot tub in the summer. When you're trying to look for shore dive spots, it's always interesting to see what the terrain looks like where the shore meets the water. And that's usually a little bit of an indicator of what you'll find under the water, because these rock structures kind of just continue. Really wish I brought my bear spray because this feels very berry. But we're doing it, we're into it. You can't tell how big it is on the GoPro, but that is a massive rock right there. That's like a little mini hill. So this is a good sign, good structure above the water. I'm thinking there's gonna be good structure underwater. A little surgy, but this looks super promising. Basically all on this outside edge here. It's a big drop off. This is cool. So this is from a acorn barnacle. So there's probably some of those out here. So pretty good dive. We had some good viz, plenty of rockfish, but I didn't see any lingcod. Check this one out. I don't know if you can see, but half his face is black and the other half is white. Awesome dive though. A lot of consistent drops to the 10 to 12 meter range. Lots of cool structure. Loved all of those walls with there's tons of anemones and just like colors and life everywhere on the walls. So really stoked. Can't wait to cook this up.
Yeah, when they have that rib cage that gives you trouble, that's when you know it's a good one. Anything you miss, you gotta eat. That's the rule around here, eh?
Anything you miss, you gotta eat.
Anything you miss, you gotta eat. Got a bone? It is bone.
Sashimi grade.
I won't recommend that. That's how you stay accountable right there. Yeah, it's true.
PB Ling, eh?
Actually, no, this is not my PB Ling. This is a little bit smaller than my 2 weeks ago.
Look how big his mouth opens.
Where? How deep were you when you got that?
Probably like 40 feet.
40? And it was just like sitting on top of a rock? Or
No, it's inside of the rock.
in a hole?
I only see the tail.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice one, man.
Instant noodle. This very delicious Korean cheese noodle. Yeah. Liver.
LINGCOD liver.
Ethan, you're a chef, right?
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
I like instant noodles, don't judge me.
They're like, we know your co-op number is 4. There was this old guy that used to, he had a house right across from the harbor. And he would always come by and tell us that, like, yeah, my co-op number. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
There we go. That's how it is. That's how it goes down.
Yes, sir.
Just ROCKFISH.
Thank you to all the amazing people that came out and made it such an epic weekend. I'll put everyone's link in the description below. Here are some clips from the rest of the dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.